Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. The video teaches beginners how to create a Gmail account in PC. Using easy step-by-step. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Gmail or Google account sign-in page. Click Create Account, then choose whether it's for personal use or another option. Fill in your first and last name, birth date, and gender as required. Pick a unique username that will become your Gmail address. Create a secure password and confirm it. Use a mix of characters for safety, or alternate email to verify your identity, and help with account recovery. Read and accept Google's privacy policy and terms of service to proceed. After completing required fields and verification, your Gmail account is ready to use. Once created, you can sign in at gmail.com and start sending/receiving emails and using other Google services like Drive and YouTube. The creator asks users to like and subscribe if the fix helped.